just kidding. I bought another Nissan.
If you stick your thumb down, then your fingers are curling in the opposite direction. Right. That's right.
Red light run.
So that's
Red light run. Red light run.
Look at a proton. How do we solve the mechanics of a proton?
Nope.
Shut up, Mustafa.
I thought this guy. No one's ever found the Loch Ness Monster, but you know, I thought it would.
Left turn regret up
I
there.
hate the people that probably stand around.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Hello? No, stop. You're too excited.
Robert De Niro reveals he is a dad once more, welcoming his 7th child at
Red
age
light run.
29.
Red light run. Red light run.
Yeah, the cannon has 12.
I mean, they've got the money, I guess. I just feel like, you know.
But imagine
kinda
being
sad
that
you don't get to
old.
know
What the hell are
that.
you doing,
Imagine
man?
being that old and you're still making monkeys. You know, like Robert De Niro, just like making monkeys all night long.
What is that? What is that?
Tie.
Wow.
50-50. So there needs to be
there were a lot of people that voted.
277.
Go.
Zero
Went through
viral.
62 votes.
Zero
Go.
votes for Robert Duvall.
Yes, that is unfortunate.
I think a lot of people don't know which one is which. They see a picture of.
It's my wife. Of course, Houston's. It was my 5th.
Well, why are you
lie to
stopping?
the police. I was just starting.
It's a green light.
I go back to the game. I go back to the game, and then one of the announcers is a woman, and then I'm just sitting there
No,
trying
stop.
to be progressive, and it's just like.
No, stop. No stop behind me either. And that guy kind of sort of rolled it.
I nodded mechanically. I didn't really know what she meant, but I wanted to.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. No stop behind me.
Monster.
He's just committed to doing so.
To doing what?
There's a Montour.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Seriously. Whoa. Extra dive. No, Rick's and I behind me too, damn it. Well, that was the next thing I regret up there. What the fuck? What was that? Extra regret behind me.
To me. And I'm happy you're listening.
Really?
Because
Freaking turkeys!
I'm only
Stop it!
asking you. We are only.
That's your Joe Douglas, and you, Coach Robert Sala. you're welcome to stay here and let's go win a championship together. That's
No,
fair,
stop.
too. But I think a Super Bowl, like which individual that bogs up a mirror on planet Earth?
No, stop.
We're all like, yeah, sure, whatever. But this is a team that is playing the disrespect card. Chris Collinsworth said it, not me. And I could have, showed him my.
There's a car coming.
0 Emmy Awards compared to Collinsworth at 19 million. I could also compare bank accounts.
Yeah, good job.
Just to show, I'm not Collinsworth.
Whoa! You didn't even stop either. Why the hell were you in the right lane if you were turning left? Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Holy fuck. Really? I got it. No. Do better. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time, because this is a construction zone and there are signs everywhere. Oh, look, here comes one coming up now. No trucks in the left lane. No, you could not have been there because there's the sign. Look, I'm not lying. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye! Well, I bought a new car. It's a 2019 Nissan Sentra. Basically, this car is a sportier and more fuel-efficient version of the last car I had, the Nissan Altima. And so far, so good. I like this car a lot. It's nice, it's sporty, it's looks nicer, and I like the way it drives. It drives a lot better than the Altima did. A couple things I don't like. Number one, I don't like how small the gas tank is. It's only 10 gallons, which means the range on this thing is about 400 miles. The Altima was about 600 miles. It was 35 to the gallon, but it was a larger gas tank. This is more fuel efficient, but at a cost, I guess. And another thing I don't like is the way the horn sounds. And I will demonstrate that in a minute. There's no one around. Yeah, I don't like the sound of it. I didn't like the sound of the horn the last car I had. I always said that I was going to replace it, but I never did, so I'm stuck with this thing. But other than that, this car's been good to me. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.